TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 2 p.m. Eastern time on Wednesday. It is Fed Day, and we just got the decision. As expected, the Fed maintaining rates, no hike. And with that, they are going to hold patient rate stance with balance sheet flexibility. We'll get some action as we just got that news within the last 10 minutes or so. 10 seconds or so. Dow up 332 points, trading 24,919. S&P's positive by 27, trading at 2666. And the NASDAQ positive by 99 points, trading at 7127. Gold contract having quite a day to the positive side. Oil up $1.27 at 54.88. And as you can see, that screen jumping around, the market digesting what's going on. We're getting a little bit of a bid. Let's jump over to the futures markets, check out those charts, and there's your acceleration. So nonetheless, really not much of a story, but market probably liking that word patience, as we have the NASDAQ 100, 67.70. Dow 30 getting a bid as well, 24,876, approaching session highs made at about noon. S&P's quite a pop. We just traded from 2660 up to 2670, backing off a bit. Gold, check that out. Gold, talk about a spike from 1315 up to 1319 in a heartbeat, making a run for session highs, which we had earlier in the day at about 1320. Crude oil, a bit as well, 54.68. And there you go. We got some dollar weakness on that news. Euro strength. Euro just spiked all the way from about 114.15, we'll call it, to 114.53. And to jump back to some of the headlines coming out. So here is the news. Fed holding rates, pledges patient stance on future moves. They remove the reference to further gradual rate increases. Big line there. Fed says it's prepared to adjust balance sheet normalization. And there you go. S&P getting a pop, dollar dropping, bond yields falling. And to pull it back, we'll get a recap on those numbers. You get the Dow up about 318, NASDAQ about 101, S&P's positive by 25. 2 hours left to go in the trading day as the market is going to digest that. And what do we get? In a half hour from now, we have Fed Chairman Powell. He'll have a press conference. That should be interesting to see what he talks about. And then, of course, after the bell, earnings continue. Facebook, 4:05 Eastern time. We'll see if the giant social media platform can deliver after having a tough 90 days, 180 days. We'll see. And to wrap it up, let's see how Facebook is doing as we come into that. Facebook up 3.5% as the market getting ready for those numbers. Stay tuned, folks. Dave White coming up right now. Tom O'Brien live at 3. Have a great Wednesday.